Hello and welcome to a quick video tutorial on how to um, create a new parent account for PowerSchool online registration for the Casa Grande Union High School District. One thing I want to note before we get started is that we need to make sure that the registration process is complete because students will not be allowed to select courses until that online registration is finalized or completed. So this is kind of an important thing and we want to make sure that we help you through it as best we can. A few things you're going to need before you create this account and get the registration process started. You're going to need a computer with internet access. So a computer works better than your mobile device, even though it can be done. A computer is going to make your life a little bit easier. A personal email account, like your Gmail or a Yahoo account that you've been using. You also need to be able to access that account. You will need an access ID and password for each student that you're registering and that you're linking to your account. Now, how do you get that information? That information should have been emailed to you to your personal personal email account. And if for some reason you haven't received that, you can hit pause and write down the phone number and give the school a call. So once you got all these things together, we can get started. So let's go ahead and open a browser. So I'm just choosing Firefox because that's the one I like. And I'm going to go to the district's website. So it's www.cguhsd.org. So it's all the initials of the school district. And you might see a different banner here because it changes every time I log in. And you're going to scroll down a little bit to where you see these yellow dots, and you're going to choose the PowerSchool grades where you see the graduation cap. That's the yellow dot you're going to click on. And this is going to take you to the district's PowerSchool student information system. Pretty much your login page from now on. What you're going to do, since you're a new parent, you are going to be clicking on create an account. And so you're on the Create Account tab, and now you're going to choose Create Account button, the blue button there on the right-hand side. And you're going to be putting in the parent account details. So this is your name. You want to type in here, first name, if I can spell my first name right today. And then my email address. Okay, and then I need to re-enter that email address again. Just make sure I've got it correct both times. And then a username that you'll remember, and we need to make a password. And it looks like I've got them wrong, so I'm going to try it again. Okay, I think I got it right that time. One of the things you need to make sure is you're choosing a password that's at least 8 characters long. And you want to write this down somewhere so you don't forget it, because you're going to be getting into this account for the next 4 years. As long as your student is at our school, you're going to be logging in to check grades and attendance and easily email your students' teachers in the future. So now we're getting to that point where we're going to link a student to our account. So to link a student to our account, we want to type in the student's first and last name right here. So my child, Masi Martinez. Okay. And I want to put in that access ID. And it's a number that starts with G. So lowercase g. And then you're going to type in an access password. And that, again, is going to be something that was emailed to you. And the relationship, I'm mom. One of the big things that we need to be clear on here is that to link a student to your account and to register a student, you must be the legal guardian of that student to enroll that student, okay? If you're not the legal guardian, then we need to go ahead and back up and reach out to that legal guardian and have them go ahead and get this taken care of, okay? If you have questions about that, just reach out to the school. So once I've typed this information, these students, I can link more than one student to my account. You know, if Mossy has a brother or something like that, I can go ahead and put those here. And I'm going to scroll all the way to the bottom, and I'm going to hit the enter button. Okay, so what comes up is it says, hey, good job. You now have a PowerSchool account. Go ahead and check your email for a link to verify your account. So this is where I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to log into my email. I'm going to find the email from PowerSchool, and I'm going to go ahead and select the verification. Thank you for your time and your patience. If you have any questions, like I said, reach out to your child or your student's school. Take care and have a great day.